갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is Diva Secret Organic, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, guys, thank you all. Thanks so much, and thank you for those that have actually took out their time to go and support my other YouTube channel. Thank you. So if you have not yet subscribed to my other YouTube channel, please follow the link below the description box. Yes, or the link on the comment section. Click on that link. It's going to take you to my other YouTube channel. So show me some love and also go and support me there. Yes guys, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about botanical powders that you can actually use in your black soap. Yes, these are botanical powders that works in black soap that helps to target those eczema, spots, those roughness, dead skin cell, those bobo to bow that we have on our skin. Yes, I'm going to be sharing with you, I think, yeah, about 6 or 7 botanical powders that you can actually mix with your black soap. These are called botanical powders combo. Yes, you can use all this in your black soap. If you have 2, if you have 3, if you have all of them, you can actually use them in your black soap to actually make your black soap. So do not waste your time using whitening powders in your black soap. Yes, don't waste your time using whitening powders in your black soap, and I'm going to tell you the reason why you should not use whitening powders in your black soap, because you are actually wasting your black soap. So in my next video I'm going to tell you the reason why you should not use whitening powders to make your black soap. So it is called herbal soap. It should be herbal. Don't waste your whitening powders. Like I said before, do not waste your whitening powders. So guys, let's jump into this video, and I'm going to share with you the powders that you can actually use to make your herbal soap. Okay guys, so we are back. Here I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 botanical powders that you can actually use to make your black soap that are really great, really effective. I'll be sharing just 8 with you, and my students, those that registered for the online training class, they get full benefits. Yes, so they get full benefits. That is it, full benefits, full package. So here is YouTube. I'm just going to share 8 powders with you guys. So the first powder here in my list is mulberry powder. So the reason why you should use mulberry powder in making your herbal soap, because mulberry powder is great for dark spots. This is going to help with discoloration. Some people have like 5 colors on their skin, especially their face. Like some, you call them coke and fata. So this is going to help with skin discoloration. And mulberry powder also helps to even add skin tone. It's going to tone your skin. It's going to brighten up your skin, and it also helps to hydrate and nourish your skin. So you should use mulberry powder, and mulberry powder is actually cheap. You can get it, and it's such a beautiful pink powder. You can use this to make your herbal soap, and it's going to help you with all these benefits: dark spots, uneven skin tone, discoloration, and it's also going to glow your skin. So just jot it down, and I'm still going to write out all the powders below my description box. So one is mulberry powder. So the other powders that you should use to make your black soap is turmeric. So yes, turmeric is great. People use turmeric. Everybody uses turmeric. So I believe some people really don't know the benefits of turmeric. They are just using it because they hear people say it's good, because they see people using turmeric. So turmeric is good, like great. Turmeric help to heal your wounds. Turmeric is also good for acne scars, like you see most people doing turmeric mask. Yes, it's good for acne scars. And turmeric also help with this natural glow. Yes, it's going to glow your skin, and it's just going to leave your skin looking this bright and yellowish. Yes guys, it's going to give you this yellowish skin tone. And also turmeric is packed with antioxidants, it's packed with anti-fungi, antibacterial. This helps to fight bacteria on our skin. So it's great to use turmeric powder when making your black soap mist. So the other powder that I also have here is sandalwood powder. Yes guys, sandalwood powder helps in removing skin tan. It's also packed with anti-inflammatory properties. It acts as an astringent. Yes, an astringent is what actually takes out dead skin cells from your skin. It helps with acne and also breakout. It's good for oily skin, for those of you that have oily skin, and it's also great for removing. It's great to remove dark spots. Yes, sandalwood powder is also great. This is another powder that you should use to make your black soap. Yes guys, so the other one that I also have is bromelain. Yes guys, so most people do not know about bromelain. Like some of you know about turmeric, sandalwood and mulberry. So bromelain powder, guys, this powder is great. It increases new cell skin tone. It even your skin too. It helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines. It helps to brighten up your skin. So this is bromelain. Yes, they call it bromelain enzymes. It's actually from pineapple. Yes guys, this is so great. It helps to exfoliate your skin. Anything exfoliation, like if you always exfoliate your skin, if you're using anything that has to do with exfoliation, man, forget, your skin is going to be looking all glowing. Yes, it's going to look bright. It's going to look you're not going to be experiencing like acne and dark spots. So bromelain should also be another good powder that you should use to make your black soap. So the other powder that I also have, so this might be strange to you guys, like seriously, this might be strange to you guys, is actually called bitter leaf powder. You know, our bitter leaf now, this bitter leaf we used to cook soup now, you know, bitter leaf powder is so great when it comes to making of your black soap. Bitter leaf helps with skin infections, so many rashes, eczema, ringworms. Yes, bitter leaf powder, what you do, you get the normal bitter leaf. Do not wash the bitterness off, because that bitterness is what actually work on your skin. Don't try to take out the bitter side of the bitter leaf out. Use it raw, like raw. If you have it in dried powder, you can use it. If you have the fresh one, you just blend it and use it to make your black soap. This help with eczema, ringworm, any skin infection, all way round. Yeah, it works in everything concerning skin infection. Bitter leaf powder. So do not like bitter leaf. Yes, bitter leaf is great. Use that when you want to make your black soap. Yes. And the other one again I have is the neem powder. And neem powder is great for acne, it's great for blackhead, it helps to uneven skin tone, it prevents skin infection, it has antifungal and antibacterial. Neem powder also is great for pimples. Yes, it's one powder that is my number one when it comes to treating of pimples. It's very great to treat pimples. So you should also use neem powder to make your black soap. And the other powder that I have here is licorice powder. Licorice powder is great for sensitive skin. It helps to break down melanin, which meaning it's going to brighten up or even lighten up your skin. Yes, licorice powder is great when it comes to skin lightening. I'm talking about the brown licorice powder, not the white licorice powder. Yes, and this helps to even out your skin too. It has anti-inflammatory, antifungal property. And the other powder that I also have here is the sulphur powder. Yes, sulphur powder helps to exfoliate the skin. It helps to take out acne breakout. It helps to unclog your skin. Yes, once your pores are clogged, you're going to like, I don't know if you have ever experienced clogged pores. It's a very bad experience. You're going to break out if your clog is pores, you're going to have something like rashes around, especially your nose area. You're going to have something like rashes. That's what they call clogged pores. Yes, this is going to help to unclog your pores, and it's going to help to absorb excess oil on your skin. So sulfur is great. So some people say they do react to sulfur. I really don't know how true is that, but sulfur is great for acne, pimples. Yes, it's great for exfoliation. So do not miss out sulfur. Do not miss out sulfur. So all this powder which I mentioned here, I don't know if I should tell you to use few, or if you should use one, or if you should use all. My dear, if you have all of them, use all of them. Yes, use all of them to make your herbal soap. These are botanical combos. These are botanical powders that you can use to make your herbal soap. These are powders that actually work when it comes to black soap, because they are not pH dependent. Yes, they are not pH dependent. These are raw powders from the roots. These are raw powders from the leaves. Yes, they have not taken to the lab to do some lab testing or to do some lab chemical stuff. No, these are direct powder from plants. These are the powders that actually work on black soap. Yes, like I said before, whitening powders, I'm going to talk about that in my next video. But when it comes to black soap, these are the herbal powders, botanical powders that you can actually use to make your black soap. And we have even aloe vera powders. We have so many powders. So these are just 8 that I mentioned here, and these are also great. They are very don't even use one, don't use 2. If you have all of them, mix them together. It is called herbal. Yes, it's called herbal soap. It's called herbal soap. So your soap should be herbal. The things that you should use in your soap should be herbal. All this soap, there's no way you can use all these powders to make your herbal soap and you are still complaining your soap do not work, or you are still complaining of a dark spot, you are still complaining of acne, stuff like that. No. So these powders, they are great. We have so many powders, but this combo, if you use it to make your black soap, you're going to experience, like, in fact, if you're selling that black soap, you're going to have a massive sale. Someone that buy that black soap from you is going to come back again to buy that same black soap from you again. Yes, these herbal powders, these botanical powders, they are great to make your black soap. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about yeah, there are some stuff you can also use to make your black soap. I don't just want to spill everything, so it's better you come and register, even if it's not from me, from any good skincare formulator that you know. It's good to go and register, because here on YouTube we don't bring out everything. Yes, we don't bring out everything. We can never bring out everything, so we just like dash you guys some. Yes, and for the students, they get full packaging. There are some stuff you use, those are secret stuff. I don't think you have ever heard of it. Like, some of you will be surprised. Like I said, bitter leaf. There are some stuff that you can actually use to make your black soap. Like, that black soap is going to be like Baba, you know. That black soap is going to be like Baba, you know. Black soap is one of the best selling skincare products in market now. Black soap is one of the best skincare selling products in market now. Some people even use black soap without using body lotion anymore, you know. So we have some great ingredients, great botanicals that you can actually use to make your black soap. Yes, those are really going to work well on your skin. It's going to help to exfoliate, brighten up your skin without leaving your skin dry. Yes, black soap tends to be too drying on the skin. Yes, these are great powders, and with their extracts, you're going to achieve a very good black soap that if you sell it to your clients, you are not going to have any complaint. Like, they are not going to complain to you like this soap is breaking them out, or this soap is too drying to their skin. Yes guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you find this video very helpful. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, support the other YouTube channel, and leave your comment below on my description box, not on my WhatsApp what is this called, not on my WhatsApp line. Yeah, my WhatsApp line is for people that want to buy my product and for my students. Yes guys, so I'm going to see you soon in my other next video, and catch ya.